Okay, I am one happy chappy. Morning guys, I know it's a bit of a strange light, but I've got blue lights in my van. I'm on an adventure. It's a local location, but it's snowed, so we're at Cannock Chase. We're gonna see what we can find in the snow. There's a little bit of snow lying around, and then it's predicted snow, and I'm really looking forward to that predicted snow. I'm super excited. Yes. God, this blue light's strange, isn't it? Guys, it's winter wonderland. It's absolutely stunning. I can't believe it. It's absolutely stunning. Oh dear, I can't wait to show you. There's been like we've still got snow all stuck to the trees and everything just how you'd want it, so I can't wait to get stuck into this. This is gonna be epic. Let's crack on, I'm so excited. Oh, yeah, beauty. And we've predicted more snow. Super duper. Right, after some scouting around, believe it or not, we've actually struggled to find an image, but we found one. Well, my first one, and it's just starting to snow as well. But what I've done is isolated these 3 trees here, and just a simple, to get a nice composition, and off we go. Took an image, F11 ISO 100, 1/5 of a second, job's a good one. As simple as that. Yes, first shot of the day. So let me just go through it again with you. So I've walked so I can get the 3 trees. Now what I've just spotted is this tree overlaps the tree behind, so I might just move over a little bit further to get it more balanced. It's not quite balanced, look. You got that gap there, and ideally I either want an equal gap or no gap. So let's just move over, see if we can get it. Now I've just moved over 2 metres. Now the difference already, now the only thing, we've got this dead tree here, but I'm not too worried about that, to be honest. But now that is balanced so much better. So we're going to get another image there, and I'm sure that one will be better than the one I've just taken, just because we've got that gap here, we've got that gap there, just isolates the 3 trees, and again 3, 5, 7s, they always work better. So I really like that. So let's get the image. Oh guys, look at it. I put the camera away from it, it's getting a bit heavy for the camera, and I think when it gets cold it takes the back screen off, so I'm only looking through that viewfinder again. I don't know if it's cold or the battery going flat because of the cold, but I'll put it in the bag for a minute. But as you can see, it's getting rather tasty. It's getting rather snowy. I think I got some nice pictures already. We've only really been out half an hour in the snow. We went and walked around the other place earlier, and as nice as it was, we struggled. So we've come to a more open area. We found some isolated trees, and we're getting that, and it looks absolutely stunning. The snow is getting heavy now, so what I'm thinking is there's quite a dense woodland behind you, and I'm thinking, is there an image in there? So I'm gonna go walk over the road, into the deep woodland and see if there's any image looking either from the woodland outwards, or if there's anything actually in there that's going to make a nice snowy image. Because like I said earlier, that darkness of the wood would bring the actual snowfall out. So I reckon it could actually make for a real nice image. Things are getting a bit serious. So I'm going to head over there and see what I can find. Right at the end now, I don't know if you can see them, I doubt if you can, but right at the end of there we've got 2 or 3 mountain bikers, I believe, and I'm hoping they're going to come up this pathway, and if they do, I'm going to get a shot of them as they're coming up somewhere here. So I'm just going to wait a minute, be patient, and hopefully they come up, because that could make a different, that extra thing in the image that really makes it stand out. So come on lads, don't let me down, come up here, let's try and get a shot. It's weather's harsh, I'm freezing cold, my hands are cold. Come on lads, let's see if they come up. Hopefully they'll come up. Just here somewhere. And yes, they're coming up, so let's try and grab this image. There's half a dozen of them. Well guys, our winter wonderland is this. Does this look nice or what? What I'm going to do is, I don't know why, but this corner of this bit of woodland here just looks so nice. And I don't know what's drawing me to it to take the image, but I'm going to take an image of it. And I'm going to try and capture this snow falling and into this woodland here. I just like it. I think you've just still got a little bit of green on them leaves there, and it just looks so nice. But just talking to you now and looking at this bit here, it looks beautiful. And maybe get a bit of the road in as it's disappearing into the distance there. I'll just show you into there, and I think that would look extremely nice. So let's try and get an image. I've had to put the camera back in the bag, and I'm a little bit, it's the Sony is not so good in the weather as the Canon, and if I'd have thought about it, I'd have bought the Canon. I've dropped it back in the bag anyway. I'm going to get a photo of this, but I just need to be a little bit more delicate, let's say. The Canon, you could leave it out here, tread on it and do what you like. It's an absolute animal. Or I'm doing something wrong with it, I don't know. But I can only take the picture through the viewfinder, which is fine. But I do like to set it on the back screen and that's how I've been so used to doing it that way. Now I've got to use the viewfinder, just making life a little bit awkward, let's say. What I actually think it is the cold weather getting to it. But it's getting to the batteries, and it's not coming on the back. I can only see through the viewfinder. So anyway, let's get the image. 160th of a second. Check my lens because it's starting to snow heavy. Clear the lens. Take the image. Clear the lens. I might just knock the so it'll take the image straight away. I had it on 2-second timer. I suppose I could do this handheld, to be honest. Let's have a go. Let's have a go at the handheld. But what I'm trying to capture is this snowfall. And you could see it. You can see it on there. Look how beautiful it is. It's just making for a super shot. I think what draws me is that line going up here that pulls you into the image, but it's just the image itself. It's just what you're looking at that looks so nice. That's worked. I'm going to try a couple more then, and the reason why it works is it makes this corner really dominant in the photo, and then you've got your eye draws your way out then each way, and that looks a beauty. I'm going to try that again on the pano. Just make sure that the composition of it is correct, but I've gone wide angle 16mm. Like I say, I'm on f6.3 ISO, what did I put it on? ISO 800, and it's given me 160th of a second exposure. Right, what I'm going to do to hedge my bets is do a normal pano now, because I'm a little bit more control of it. What I'm finding is I'm either getting the top of the trees or I'm too high, too low. So what I'm going to do now is, like I say, get it on the tripod and do a proper pano. Same settings. Okay, I am one happy chappy. I just hope that I'm capturing what I want. I'm going to try a few more handheld shots here, just because it's so nice, and this woodland here is so nice. Wow, how beautiful is this? How beautiful is this? Oh wow. When I will then. This 5-shot pano that I took, the weather was extremely harsh. It's so hard to see the image, and that's what it was like taking the photo. It was so hard to see the woodland because of the snow, and that's exactly what I've achieved in this image, and I absolutely love it. Right, I'm gonna head into the trees a little bit, see if I can find anything in there. Oh. You just put a smile on your face, the old snow. A well-deserved cup of tea before we head back out. I think, see what we want to do, but I might just head a bit further on, see if there's any other different trees, isolated trees and things like that I can photograph. It's snowing quite heavy, everything's soaking wet, got the diesel heater on, night heater on, get everything dry again, have a nice cup of tea and off we go again. I think I've got some wonderful snowy images.